Hey everybody, G-Man Eth here. Want to take just a few minutes to show you the Chrome extension that we have that brings the power of freshdrops, rarity, and snipe tools directly inside OpenSea. So let's get right into it. I've chosen Uncool Cats since we did Uncool Cats for our web app video. I thought, hey, let's stick with it. So the first thing you'll see here is a freshdrops logo gets added up here. If you wanted to go back to our web app and go to the project and see and cross-reference any information, you can easily do that. So that pops that up. Now in the grid in OpenSea that everyone is used to, you can see that the rarity information is attached to each card. So what do we see here? We see the rank, we see how many have minted out of how many total supply. Obviously, this is fully minted. We see the floor price. If I'm to click the floor price, I get some information here, stats for the collection, what the floor price is, how many owners, sales information against 1 day, 7 day, and 30 days. All good information when you're trying to evaluate a collection, see if there's an NFT that you want to add to your own collection. This button right here brings up the information from our app. So you can see the different traits, and of course pre-reveal, this is especially or right after reveal when OpenSea doesn't have it yet. This can be really helpful. You see the image, you see what's driving rarity. You can also quick buy right from here. So if I click this button, it's going to bring up MetaMask. It's going to bypass all the checkout and all that stuff, and it's going to let you go ahead and buy if you want to. Now, the reason we bring up this is we want to verify that you're buying what you think you're buying. So we've had a problem in the past with OpenSea's API throwing up an incorrect asset or something like that, or if we're just after reveal and OpenSea doesn't have it yet, and you just want to take a little peek before you hit the confirm button. You hit this, you're like, okay, that one looks cool. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this thing. So it's just like a little sanity check, just like take a little peek at it and then hit the confirm button and go ahead and buy this thing. So you can see how quick that is. You just go ahead and confirm and you're good to go. Now, an update that I got multiple up here. An update that we're working on is to go ahead and preset gas in here as well. So that makes it even quicker in MetaMask when you're going ahead and doing this. So that is pretty much it for the grid. You can use the filters like you're used to. Go ahead and just show me buy now. Sort any way that you like. Go ahead and filter as you always do inside of OpenSea, and the rarity follows you along here. So let's show you the activity page. So right away, what jumps out at me is our little we have 10%, 5%, and 1% rarity callouts, so that you get a little splash of color that kind of tells you, hey, this is a pretty rare one. So here a 10%er got sold, here a 1%er got sold. So some good cool cat sales going on today, but usually people are using this at reveal time, and so you're going to want to be on listings and not sales. So you'll come in here and there hasn't been any listings for about an hour. So this isn't like crazy volume, but at reveal time, it really can be. So you'll see in real time as these are listed and be able to evaluate rarity score versus price and get an idea if this is one you want to quickly add to your collection or not. And same way, we hit this, boom, it's going to bring up MetaMask, no going through the checkout. You just get to go ahead and buy it. So here's a 10%er. These things call out just enough to let you kind of, your eye can catch it. There's a 1%er, a 5%er. So it's just a little extra visual to give you an idea where these things are. So if I want to actually go to one of these asset pages, let's go ahead and do that. So this is same way. It's kind of works the exact same way, but it's on every asset that is currently ranked in the app. You can see the card. Let me hit that. You can, and again, this is really helpful when OpenSea does not yet have the data. And so I can actually show you one of those here in a second. MetaMask. So these features work across all parts of the application. One thing that's worth noting is you can filter in the main activity against multiple collections. So there's 3: Doodles, Mutant Apes, and Bored Apes. Now this is on sale, so let's go ahead and switch to listings. And as these are listed, you will see the price. That's a juicy one, 189 ETH. You will see a price and what the ranking is, and same thing, you can hit the floor information, you can hit the card, you can quick buy. So as these things get listed, even cross collection here, you can make quick purchases and evaluate rankings right here. All right, so these awakenings that I have, so it's good to note that in your own collection, you also get rarity information on your collection page. And so these awakenings have not been, OpenSea doesn't have the metadata and the images. So this is a good way to show you that. So right post reveal, no one knows what they have, but if you have a freshdrops membership, you can hit this card button and it shows you the image and all the metadata and how that affects rarity. So obviously I can't buy it, it's mine, but that really gives you an idea of what is the power of freshdrops inside OpenSea. We've got some really exciting updates coming up. Like I said, preset gas. We're going to have an auto snipe feature that makes it even easier and quicker to get those underpriced assets that you want to add to your collection. So that's it for the Chrome extension. Be on the lookout for more videos. We're going to be doing more of this content. So until next time, see ya.